Flytime RC, and we have the GTV here. I haven't flown this plane in probably 8 months. I don't know, it's been quite a while. But we have a bigger 2-cell battery. This is a 2200. We usually run an 800, but I'm missing the landing gear, so the CG is off. So because of that, I have a larger battery to kind of counteract the missing weight, and hopefully we got the CG just about right. And also, this will probably more than double our fly time. We should be able to fly for at least 15 minutes with this, maybe longer. But we're gonna get it up for a few minutes and try to have some fun.
I'm doing really good.
GTV flying.
This is so cool. Wow. Wow, I'm getting some really good footage of this.
So that's the GTV. Oh man, I forgot how good this thing flies. So this thing has a 60-inch wingspan. It's kind of a UMX size. It's kind of a small plane, but it's got a big wingspan. So it stays up in the air really easy. It doesn't take very much. We have a 2200 milliamp battery running it, which is more than twice the size it usually runs. So it is a little bit heavier than usual, but I'm also running a larger prop too. I put an 8x4 on there. Usually I run a 7x4. So we're running probably just a little bit over 50% throttle here, maybe 60%. And it's more than enough. This thing just flies amazing. What do you think, Everly?
I like it. This thing is cool. Look at this good footage I'm getting.
I have my daughter with me flying this time, and she's helping me film today. This is her first time filming flying airplanes. So.
This is so cool.
Isn't that an awesome plane?
Yeah.
This is such a cool plane. It's been so long since I've flown it. I forgot how much fun it was and how easy it is to fly. It's such a calm, relaxed plane.
Yep. Make sure you like and subscribe to Flytime RC.
I'm going to bring it up and I'm going to see.
And smash that subscribe button for this video.
I'm going to bring it up high and I want to see if we can do a loop with this thing. It's been a long time since I've flown this thing, so we'll see.
That's really cool. This is pretty long for a short.
Oh yeah, no problem.
This is so cool. Can shorts be long?
Yeah. I'm gonna try to do some loops. This is kind of a slow flying plane, but it can spin and it can loop.
I keep getting lost. Oh, there's a plane. That's a creepy noise. This is
The GTV is a good plane. This is also has. Actually, I can't remember. I don't think this thing has safe. It has low rates, so it can be a somewhat decent beginner plane.
This is a really cool foam tape made electric plane that my dad made. It's like an RC. It's really cool. It's like so cool. It's like a real RC. He's bought like the best parts. And he does have like the best parts. That is the white plane that my dad made. That is sick.
Forgot how good this thing flies. Look at that.
That's nice. Those are some creepy noises.
This thing really will fly itself. It's just such a good flying plane.
I've almost fell, but that's fine. Wow, that's cool. That's a pretty cool plane. Wow.
Let's see if I could do a high-speed pass. Not that this thing is fast, but
Look, you can see it right there. Look, am I doing good? I can see it. Wow.
this thing is not fast at all. But man, it sure does fly good.
That would be a good plane for some ASMR. Wow.
This is definitely something I would like to put. I could probably put a 3-cell battery on with a different prop and maybe actually make it go kind of fast. But this 8x4 is really not a fast prop, especially on this motor. Really just want it to be efficient so we can fly longer.
How far away is that thing from us?
I don't know. Yeah, a few hundred feet. Okay, coming around for a landing.